Hello family, welcome back to my show. Well, today for the greedy lady healthier meal, I'm going to make me an omelet and I'm going to stuff it with some squash, and on the side I'm going to have yams, sweet potato yam, and apple butter. In my mind, for the butter will be my applesauce on top of my yams, and as usual I'll have my lemon or lime on my plate. So that's it for today. Just a egg white omelet, none of the yellow. I think the yellow is the part that's giving me all the heartburn and the gas, so we shall see. Okay, I'll be back. Family, I'm back with the finished product. Like I said, I'm having an egg white omelet stuffed with squashed, and I said I was going to have some yams on the side, but I changed my mind and I chose a fruit salad instead. So on top of my omelet, I sliced some cherry tomatoes up, and I like ketchup, so instead of ketchup I just use the tomatoes. That's my ketchup. And the fruit salad, I have some cantaloupe, blackberries, blueberries, about 3 tangerine slices, a tablespoon of what is it, pomegranate, and a teaspoon of applesauce. And I grated some fresh nutmeg on the top. Well, I put the nutmeg on top of my omelet too. Nutmeg, fresh nutmeg. It's delicious and it doesn't bother me. I don't know why, but the kind that the store packages, even though they say it's only nutmeg, I get headaches. But with the fresh one, nothing. I'm fine. Just like I tried the ginger, and now it doesn't bother me anymore in the tarragon. That reminds me, I should grate me some ginger on top of this fruit too. Well, family, I just wanted to share my meal with you today. I hope you enjoy my meals, family. Hope you try some of this stuff out. Not just for low calorie, but, well, I guess it's low calorie or low carb, excuse me. And the omelet's protein. The fruits are low carb. It all depends on the amount that you use. You can find the measurements, get the carbs information on all these vegetables and stuff online, and you can see for yourself with a cup, half a cup, teaspoon, whatever, how many carbs you'll get. And that way you can eat all day by just watching your carbs. Now what I've read, 60 60 45, something like that. But do your research. Like I said, I'm just documenting what I'm doing on the YT. I don't know if I'm going to be on here every single day, but when I'm feeling like it, I'll throw something up. It's no problem. And sharing is caring. Family, hope you guys enjoyed today's meal and have you a low carb fruit salad and something healthier to eat today too. I gotta tell you what my weight loss is. I know I should be down 25 pounds or something, which is a good thing. But like I said, it was all about me not having any more indigestion, and breaking out was the main thing, and controlling type 2 diabetes, which if you eat right, it can be controlled. and you don't have to worry about that stuff. Because for me, I don't want to go blind. I don't want kidney trouble. I don't want any problems. So take care of you, because I'm managing, trying to take care of me. And once again, thank you guys for the support of continuing to watch my little meals, my little videos. Alright. Well, pictures, I guess. Talk to y'all later. See you later. Did I forget anything? Any comments? Leave them in the comment section. Family, I know you guys are watching. Alright, later. Oh, one more thing. I know I'm not trying to rattle on, but for all of you guys that, you new people, a lot of you guys are going to spam. And I'm not going to put the spam comments in my comment section, because the YT, they'll just take them out anyway. So try and watch the video a little longer and you won't go to spam. If you're noticing why you're not in my comments, because you're in spam. So try and watch the video a little longer. I found that out. You won't go to spam. You need to watch the video some instead of just clicking. So take that under consideration. No shade, not trying to offend anybody, but that's what you got to do. Bye. Oh, family, I almost forgot to mention. On my omelet, I got some crispy little edges there. I like that on my omelet, the little crispy burnt little edges, but not really burnt, but they're a little crispy. Give me the texture of a potato. Yum! Just wanted to share. Check it out, Jenny. Weta, Glow, Jack, Holla, Carol, Bro. Hope y'all all doing good. All right. Later.